How to fix when Hulu can't verify your email. Now, sometimes you might have forgotten your password, you might have been trying to reset it, or maybe you're trying to reauthorize your login, or maybe you're trying to sign up, but then Hulu simply says that it cannot verify your email. Now, the first reason why this happens is due to technical issues, like maybe the Hulu server is currently down, or maybe there is an issue with the internet connection or something of that sort. Another thing is your address might be incorrect, so just verify second time as well, and once and for all just verify again that whether or not the email address that you have provided is a correct one and whether or not that belongs to you. So once you've done that, you should be able to verify it. And last, if the email address is also correct and they said that they have sent you the code, then you simply need to make sure to check in your inbox the proper code that you have received from Hulu and make sure that the code isn't actually expired. Now, what you can also do is sometimes it might get sent to the spam folder, so you can also try going to spam folder here to see if that's the case, but most likely it will not be in the spam folder. You can go to all inboxes here, make sure it's the correct email, and check whether or not you have received the code. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix if Hulu can't verify your email. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.